And so, let me give the floor to our first expert.
Hello everybody, I am Eric Cartman, the famous scientist and researcher, and today I'm going to tell you how to make cartoons. Watch this lesson, and at the end of it you will be able to make your own little cartoon. All you need to begin the exciting journey into the mysterious world of animation is just the Adobe After Effects program, the most recent version of which you can download from the official website of the company. Something wrong. In theory, it should be just a laser pointer. Yeah, that should be better. So, you can download After Effects from the official site of Adobe Company, or you can use earlier, but more simple and more affordable version of the program After Effects 7. Download links to which are on YouTube, on our channel's page. We ourselves use this particular version. Its capacity is sufficient for creating animated films, and the interface is virtually no different from most modern versions of program. Well, you had set up Adobe After Effects. Now is the big time to start it.